Please stand by. Station KHA-46 will be up shortly.
Tornado emergency for northwestern Carroll County, southeast Weakley County, and southwest Henry counties. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Weakley County in northwest Tennessee, northwestern Carroll County in northwest Tennessee, southwestern Henry County in northwest Tennessee, until 10:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near McKenzie. This tornado was moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for McKenzie. Take cover now. Locations in the warning include McKenzie. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay. Seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of a structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday.